Hey guys, it's Mcfixit here. I have another product review. This is the EverBrite Rechargeable Underhood Work Light. It does have a magnet on it, 3 different modes to choose from, adjustable straps to go around your hood. This is a great gift as well for somebody who might be a mechanic, loves to work on their car, and likes to have good light. Let's go into a full product review. We're going to test this thing out, and I'll give you my honest, unbiased opinion at the end. Let's go ahead and unbox it. It does have a little bit of tape at the top that you're going to have to cut. We'll pull it out and begin to see what's inside of it. It does have some instructions. I'm guessing that's the charging cable. And then more information. Here is your instructions. Shows some information about it, how much power it has, the weight and size of it, so you can see that right there, how bright it runs, how long it runs, and the max beam. Inside this box here is your power cable, a very nice long USB to USB-C connector. I do like that. So we'll go ahead and open up the bag here. So there's right here is the magnetic connectors. You have the straps that go over the hood with adjusters and some nice plastic in there, rubber maybe, so you don't scratch a vehicle. And then your LED lights. It does look like it has, yep, on both sides, it has options to turn on or dim it. So there's 3 options right there. We'll go through that a little more later. And right here is your USB-C connector. Let's go ahead and charge this device. So you have the USB-C connector here. We'll go ahead and take that in. It will turn red as it's charging, and it will turn green when it is done charging. So we'll let this thing charge for a while and come back when it is full. Okay, the light has turned green, so it is charged. We can go ahead and remove that, put the cap back on. That does help make it more waterproof. So there are 3 different settings for this. When you click it once, that is the high setting. That thing is pretty bright. You click it again, that gets you to the medium setting. And you can do it on either side. Click it one last time, and that is on the low setting. And even the low setting is pretty bright. And then one more turns it off. We're going to do it where we're having it in my little studio here. And so that is the first one. You can see how bright that is. Here's number 2. A little less bright. Here's number 3, a little dimmer. So whichever one you want, then off, you can do very easily. So one other feature that you probably should note as well is it has magnets on this. These magnets will help stick underneath the car on the hood, and then you strap it on the side. So it has the magnets, it has this, and it has the bungee. So each one of these adds up to giving you a really secure fit. So here is our test. You can't really see much inside the engine bay, even though I have a lot of light on outside. So we're going to go ahead and hook this up. I'll show you how simple it is. You go ahead and take it, put it on the side of the hood. I like to magnetize it here, then come up and under. Magnetize it on this side as well. Then you just hit the button one time, and you can see how bright all those LED lights are. And now you can see all the way down in your engine bay on all different sides. That thing's pretty sweet. And if that's too bright for you, you can always hit the button on either side, reduce it down and have it dim, turn it off, or turn it back on to super bright. And you can see, again, everything so clearly. I'll turn the light to medium on this, into low, and then off. Again, you're probably seeing more because I've got a nice quality camera than what I'm actually even seeing. You can't really see anything else except the Honda logo and a little bit of the black engine cover. But as soon as you turn it on, you can really see down inside your entire engine bay. That product is working really well. I love how easy it supports itself. Grabbers on the side, the hook on the side, the magnets on there, and then how it stretches to fit any size engine bay. So after having the opportunity to use and test out this system, It is amazing. I really like this. I think this is going to really help me in the evening times working on vehicles, giving you guys even better lighting for videos that I make as well. So this is the EverBrite Rechargeable Magnetic Underhood Work Light. This thing is sweet, has the 3 different settings. I really like the high setting the best. It does say that it comes with a 14-hour runtime. I did not test to see if it lasted 14 hours, but I've used this for multiple days and multiple evenings, and the battery is still holding up well, so that's good enough for me. I love that it uses USB-C, so I don't have to keep around all these extra cords, and plugs in real easy, very easy to tell when that green light comes on that it is fully charged as well. I like the magnetic bases here and the hooks on the end and the stretchiness of it. Those 3 things combined really do make this thing a step above anything else I've tested so far. I just like that you can go from 52 to 75 inches wide really easily, so that fits most any vehicle hood. And overall, it's a great product. I will have a link down in my description, so if you do like this, go ahead and click that link. If you've not subscribed yet to Mcfixit, please do so. Always give my videos thumbs up. And if you do have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.